Hello, and welcome to the Zepor Law Office and the Lakewood Legal Center. Today I'm going to talk about financial powers of attorney. This is a very common document that people use and misuse on a fairly regular basis. There's a perception that a person who holds the power of attorney can do anything they want. This is not true. If you are an agent under a power of attorney, and you are an agent, you are not the power of attorney. The power of attorney is a paper document. You are the agent under the power of attorney, and the person who gives you your agency is called the principal. Now, your job as a financial power of attorney is to preserve assets and ownership for the principal, not for yourself. I run into a lot of financial powers of attorney which are misused by people who think that because mom said it was okay, that they can give themselves money, assets, real estate. This is not true. You could be fined and you could actually be jailed for financial abuse of an elder if you misuse this document. Now, what is your authority? Well, the power of attorney document tells you what your authority is. There are limited powers of attorney that may say you can only deal with bank accounts, or you can only deal with insurance. You may not be able to deal with business or business assets. You may be able to deal with litigation. You may not. It depends on what your power of attorney actually says. Now, can the principal change his mind? Yes. A power of attorney is not permanent. Until a court says that your principal is not competent to change their mind or is under undue influence or coercion from another person, then they can revoke your power of attorney and you are no longer their agent. Now, why are you an agent? Well, it's kind of like being a real estate agent or an insurance agent. These people are required to work for your benefit when they're trying to help you find a proper home or a proper insurance policy. This is the same thing for the agents under the financial power of attorney. You cannot change the estate plan without court approval. You cannot move real estate or bank accounts or other financial assets into your own name. You have to work for the agent, for the principal, not for yourself. Now, a court could hold you liable for your actions if you do not follow this very basic principle, working for your principal. Now, you can be reimbursed your monthly expenses. You can be reimbursed for any reasonable and necessary items you buy for your principal. If the principal is not your parent, grandparent, spouse, sibling, or child, you may not use your authority to make gifts for your benefit or for the benefit of your family. Also, there is a misperception that no one can be both a financial and medical power of attorney. If you are a family member, you can be both. If you are a professional fiduciary, you cannot. For more information, you can contact the Zepor Law Office at 303-866-0990, or you can go to my website, or you can go to the Colorado Bar Association website and look for the brochure So now you are an agent under financial power of attorney. Thank you.